More Jeep Gladiator Blackout Ideas. Well, good morning everybody. How are you today? Pretty good here, and welcome back to the channel. That's right, I have a few more Jeep Gladiator Blackout Ideas I wanted to run by you guys. You know, I'm kind of looking for a kind of a black and goby theme, if you will, and I think I'm getting there, right? I mean, there's not a lot of anything other than black and goby on this so far. I mean, we have the fuel center caps there that I need to do something with. And then, of course, the lock there that's chrome, silver, whatever. Gonna do something with that. And then the trail rated badge. That's about it. But I've been thinking of adding some more blacked out features, accents, if you will, to the Jeep Gladiator. And I kind of wanted to run this by you guys, see what you think. So first of all, we'll start here on the side. I was thinking about doing something with the gas cap here, or the door, whatever you want to call it, some sort of blackout here. And what I'd like to do, I guess ideally, is purchase some sort of a matte black door, actually replace this with a matte black door, something to match this, or maybe the top, or even the tonneau cover, you know, the rest of the trim that's on here. I wouldn't want anything really too shiny or bright, so I'm thinking about doing that. I think that might be pretty cool, and since we have a black Jeep, I think, be able to get something. Or I could just take this off and maybe try my first attempt at plasti dipping, or even painting it myself. We'll see. That's the first thing that I'm doing, or thinking about doing. The second thing, and I have these coming, we're going to black these out. I'll show that to you guys in a later video. This is just beaming chrome here. I don't know what this is about, but and then we have these labels. You know, we have this best top stuck on thing up here, and this is just held on with adhesive. And I've got the Jeep parked out here in the sun because I think we're going to do something with removing that, as well as this little advertisement on the back here for the Tyger tonneau cover. I mean, I love these products, don't get me wrong, but neither one of these companies are sending me a check every month to advertise, so we're going to do something about those. Now, back to the blacked out idea. Also, I think you can get a blacked out trail rated 4x4 badge. And I was thinking about taking this off and putting one on, although I'm not quite sure if this is pinned or just held on with adhesive. Looks like it's adhesive backed on there, so I could probably just pull it off and replace it with some sort of a blacked out badge. I don't mind the rest of it. Pretty cool looking, I think. Now, up here on the top, or the hood area, I guess, I have seen some blacked out accessories that you can put over this little cowl here, and it would be one for each side. The problem is the ones that I've seen are some sort of a stick-on applique, if you will, or double-sided taped piece. And I'm not real big on that, because I have heard of people that have put those on and they've actually blown off, you know, out on the freeway and stuff. Plus, I don't want something that's just sitting on top of something else, really. I mean, I'd like to replace that with a black piece, and I think it would look pretty cool with the blacked out gas door, the blacked out entry key switch or hole, or whatever you want to call it there, and then the mirror. I think it would blend right in and look pretty cool down the side of the truck. So I'm thinking I'm going to do that. That should be pretty cool. And of course, all of that will go nicely with the blacked out grill that we have here, I think. This did come out really well, by the way. I do like the color match surround that kind of frames in the blacked out grill. Pretty cool look, I think. Over here on the side, I had toyed with putting a smoked side piece on here. And you can get them. I just did this recently. But you can get them. And I thought about putting one on, but I kind of figured since it wrapped around here, it would kind of conflict, if you will, with this front part. That's why I went with the clear, and I think that came out pretty good. I actually like that a lot. Over here on this side, this is what the Jeep really should look like, I think. Minus, again, the chrome door lock area there, which, again, is going to be taken care of soon. We do still have the best top logo. Of course, we have to have it on both sides for some reason. Man, that is hot. That's good. That's going to work out really well for what I'm trying to do, I think. Moving around to the back, of course, we have the robmotiv decals up there. Probably need to change those to robmotivejt, but don't have any of those yet. And then a nice black look on the back of the truck. You know, you've got that tinted out window, which is really cool, and kudos to Jeep for not putting some sort of a chrome or pewter surround around their window there. I think they did that right. I've seen other models that have a different colored surround or trim around it. This is the way it should look, I think. Back here on the back, I've even thought about going with a blacked out customized license plate. I don't know about that yet, but that's certainly something that's on the table. I am looking for some sort of a blacked out sort of cover, if you will, or feature to put over the taillights in the back. Something similar to what my wife has on her Wrangler. You guys can see right here, she's got these little inserts. They are just an applique, but they are metal, and they do stick in there well. It is double-sided taped, but these look pretty cool. And of course, they have the Jeep frame or outline here, which I think is pretty neat. Only problem is I haven't seen any of those yet for the Jeep Gladiator. I did look at some covers, trying to match what I did in the front of the Jeep, and I mean those grates or grills that I have in the front, because I would like to tie that into the back. And of course, I'm talking about these here. I think these are awesome. I think they make the truck look really mean here in the front. So I was thinking about getting something to put on the back, but so far I haven't been able to find anything that matches, that fits the Gladiator, because the Gladiator, for some reason, the rear tail lights are different than the Jeep JL. So what could fit on those, which is what I found, don't fit on these, which is a drag. So my hunt, I guess, continues for that. One other thing I am thinking about doing, which isn't really blacked out, I guess, in this case, is going with the same color hook back here as the truck. So it would be Gobi, and that would go with the same theme that I did in the front, which is are the tow hooks that I went ahead and color matched to the truck. Still a little undecided if I like that look or not, but I don't know. I think it's pretty cool. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like that look? Or should they be black, or, I don't know, red? Maybe they should be blue. I don't know. That'd be a good homage to the Toyota Tacoma, I suppose, if they were, you know, maybe voodoo blue. Anyway, those are just a few black accents that I'm looking to add to my Gladiator. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of those things, and if there's something else I'm missing that I could add that would enhance the appearance of the Jeep Gladiator as far as a blackout theme kind of goes. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Real quick, if you haven't before and you're interested, check out my other channel. It's all about my 2020 Toyota Tacoma. It is Robmotiv. That's the truck right back there. Don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And do me a favor, smash that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.